Good morning, students. Namaste. Hamesha Khush Raho. Students, today I am going to teach you the subject assessment of learning, and from this I'll take first the purpose and aims of the assessment, meaning and assessment. Assessment is a integral part of the educative process. It is used by teachers in collecting informal and formal information about what and how their students are learning. Since that assessment, you know that the students' tests and assignments are done, and then listen to the small groups activities and observe students engage in structured and unstructured activities. In assessment, we also recognize that the teacher systematically collect the right kind of information and use it effectively. They can help their students grow and as thinker and learner. In some contexts, the term assessment and evaluation are interchangeable. We use the term assessment to refer specifically to all kind of methods and strategies that provide information about a student's learning. Now question is that why assessment is useful. So actually it is based on education objectives formulated in terms of the principles of growth and development. It includes all aspects of the changes in the behavior of the students learners. Now why assessment is useful? Because the question is that it is used to improve teaching and learning and to know if students can apply what they have learned in authentic situation. What do we assess? हमें क्या क्या assess करना चाहिए? We assess the learning and we evaluate results in terms of some set of criteria. Evaluation assessment is most useful to teachers and evaluation is most useful to students, administrators and parents. Assessment focuses on the individual groups and students also. Why it is important to assess? Because there are various reasons for this. First, to find out what the students know, means we can find out the knowledge of the students in that. To find out what the students can do and how well they can do it, like a skill performance we can observe like from that. To find out how students go about the task of doing their work, means the process they are using we can very well known from the assessment. To find out how students feel about their work, like motivation efforts also. Now, as a question, the top point is that assessment serves two purposes mainly. First, to facilitate instructional functions, in that it yield data to establish the extent of knowledge, skills, habits, attitudes acquired by students and learners. And it also specifies the strength and weakness of instruction and the needs and the problems of the students which must addressed. Second, to facilitate administrative and supervisory function. Achieving and maintaining quality instruction is one of the foremost goals of management. Standards are being set to determine who should be admitted. To facilitate administrative and supervisory function, in that you can observe achieving and maintaining quality instruction is one of the foremost goals of management. So standards are being set to determine who should be admitted into the program and who should be retained and to what classification they belong. To the curriculum planner, the result of the assessment can give them hard facts as basis for revising and enriching the curricula. Third, to foster the better parent-teacher relationship. If we assess the students in a very good manner, then assessment is give a chance, the means by which teachers can keep the parents informed of the progress made by their children from the PTM when we go for that. Thank you, students.